It's everyone's dream to create a side project that one day becomes their full-time online income. That was me in 2022. No direction on where to start, but I know I wanted to start making some money online. You see, you need a business that you can test with little time and money invested. Unfortunately, most of the online side hustles going into 2026 require hours of countless research and work to get off the ground running. And to be honest, most people don't have time for that. 4 years ago, I was in the exact same position, researching side hustle after side hustle after side hustle. It was exhausting. When I started, all I wanted to do was make $1,500 a month so that I can move out of the United States and travel the world. And it worked. I mean, it really worked. Since 2023, I've explored more than 200 cities. Rome, Barcelona, even Cape Town, South Africa. This is truly the best beginner business to start on the side and have it replace your full-time income in 3, 6, or 12 months from now. And believe me, I was on the other side of the camera watching these same videos until I found the one about this. So grab a notebook because these next 15 minutes can change your life forever. Let's get into it. All right, let's jump right into it. And this side hustle that turns into a business is selling products on Amazon. So most people actually don't know that 60% of Amazon's business is done from third-party sellers, people like you and I. Now, I could sit here and show you guys definitions and how-tos all day long, but I want to show you a real-life example of how you can make money right now if you had an Amazon selling account open. Okay, so here is an Amazon listing. Pretty much everybody in the world knows what this is by now. All right, now it's very important when it comes to selling on Amazon to know that you're selling name branded products, right? So I'll show you guys where to buy this product in a second, but this product right here, Top Fin large filter, this is a brand that already does constant marketing on a day-to-day basis. Amazon spends millions of dollars advertising so that customers come here to buy. You don't have to actually reinvent the wheel or become an expert marketer, because I would have never started the business considering I started at 21 years old and I had nothing to know about anything with marketing. I basically had no skills. So I needed something that was very black and white that could basically just plug and play, learn how to do, since it's very simple reading the charts, and then resell these products, because all the demand that's built in from Amazon just comes organically through the traffic. So I'm not spending money on marketing, advertising, anything like that. All right. Now, Amazon has this cool feature where they tell you how many times this product has been bought in the past month, which is 1,000 times. And it's really, really good, right? That's kind of some of the evidence and data that we need to know that this product is going to sell really, really well. But more importantly, there's two softwares that are both $20 a month that are integrated with Amazon, which tells us everything we need to know about the product. Now, here's the first one here at the bottom of an Amazon listing. My screen's gonna look a little bit different than yours because you have to get to these softwares and get an account to be able to see this data. But you're gonna get a little bit concerned when you see all these different colors and charts going on. And in reality, it's actually quite simple. Once we break it down in the next 3 minutes, you're probably gonna understand it like a pro. So this top chart here tells me everything about the price. This middle one tells me how much demand, how many sales per month there is. And the last one tells me the other sellers on the listing. So check this out. Currently, there's 37 sellers on this listing, which means 37 other me and yous, right? Third-party sellers who are looking to buy this product from a supplier, resell it for a higher price, and make money. All right. Again, nobody's reinventing the wheel by doing marketing or even shipping products out of a house. They're shipping the products into Amazon. Amazon's doing all the fulfillment, and you're basically just making the buying decision on what works. All right. Now, to break it down a little bit more detailed, this chart here can bring back all the data literally since this listing has been born on Amazon. So if you see here at the bottom, I'm playing around with it. I can go from 3 months to 1 year to 1 month or almost 1,000 days. So it tells me what the pricing was for the past 1,000 days, how much demand there was, and what other sellers are on this listing, right? Which is pretty dang cool, because if we want to compete with sellers who are also beginners or also just starting off, that's who we want to focus on, okay? But let's take it up a notch. There's a second calculator here. Like I mentioned, it's $20 a month too, very inexpensive to do. And this is gonna tell you all about your profit that you would make, right? So you can play around here with the cost price and the sale price, which I have $10 here. But if you play around with this, right, you can input different prices of, okay, if I bought this product for $7, I would make $5 profit and 72% ROI. And I know what you're thinking. You might be saying well, what about all the fees, all the expenses? They're already baked into this calculator. So here at the bottom of this calculator, again, very simple to break down. There's only a few different pieces that you actually need of this software. All this other stuff is pretty much just nonsense. You just need some few key components, all right? So this total fees calculator tells me what Amazon takes for their referral fee, their FBA fee, inbound shipping fee, even a prep fee, which I pay someone else to do all of the manual labor for me to ship it into Amazon. And then I also have a safety fee, which I call a miscellaneous fee. So that way I know when I sell this product for $23.99, I'm going to make $5 profit and 72% ROI with no surprises, okay? Now, I'm not saying that we're gonna buy it for $7 because that would be a really good opportunity, but even if you bought it for $10, you would make around $2 profit and 21% ROI. Doesn't seem like the best, but considering that this listing sells 1,000 times a month, that's $2,000 a month in profit. Pretty good for a side hustle. Now, of course, you're not gonna get all of those sales because remember, like we talked about here in this chart, there's 37 other sellers on this listing. So there's no way that you get all 100% of the sales unless you were, always priced perfectly and you always stayed in stock, which is kind of hard to do as a new seller because you're trying to spend money on your inventory, okay? Now, to take it a little bit more detailed, you probably want to know, where do you actually buy this product? Because in hindsight, this could seem all good and dandy. If if I sell this product for $23.99 and I buy it for $8, I'm going to be rich and I don't have to do much work. But you actually have to go out and find these suppliers who can supply the product. Now, the reason why this has started as a side hustle for me is because I would just buy from regular suppliers like PetSmart, like Walgreens, like CVS, Zorro, any supplier that anybody can buy from as a customer, but I would buy it to ship the inventory into Amazon and have it resold. Now, the reason why this is such a good beginner business model to start is because there's no barrier to entry. As long as you know how to use a laptop or somewhat know how to use a laptop, and you can sign up for a seller account, which is just your name, your address, and your details, then you're able to buy and sell these products, right? Once you obviously learn a little bit more of how everything works. So I wanted to show you guys this example, and then I want to show you what it goes up to when you actually turn this into a real full-time business, okay? So again, what we're looking for with this product is we're looking for the same exact product, right? Ideally, right, from a perfect match. That's what you have to sell so the customer doesn't get too grumpy. And you want to find it for a profitable price. So according to this calculator over here, it tells me that if we buy it for $7, we're going to make a lot of profit and a lot of ROI. Even if we buy it for $10, we'll make 21% ROI and $2 profit. So that basically means, to give you guys a good understanding of ROI and what that means, check this out. If I invest, let's say I buy 20 units, right, 20 orders of this product, and I go to sell all 20 units on Amazon, that means I'm going to invest $200 into this product, and it's going to spit out $241. That's considering that there's no refunds or, really just refunds, right? Because if you get a refunds, then it eats up a little bit into your profit. But if you don't get any, right, which is pet products is kind of low refunds. If you're doing like beauty or shoes or clothing, pretty high on refunds. But you can see, you're just putting money into inventory and it comes back at a higher amount, then you just spread it across more and more products, okay? Now, let's talk about the supplier and how this pricing actually works. Because if you look at it on the screen, it shows $17.99. Now, if I typed in $17.99 into the cost price, $17.99, it's going to show me that we're going to lose $6 profit and 33% ROI. And that's not much of a business because then you're just investing money into lose the product, which is terrible. But what you always have to look closer on, and this is exactly what I did in my early days, especially with Walgreens, I literally would go find these discounts and I would drive around to all these Walgreens, pick these products up. Thankfully, you don't have to do that because you're watching this video and you know how to do it a little bit better than when I first started, okay? So what you do is you have to use discounts and coupons to make this product profitable, okay? So if this product's selling at $17.99, look what they're advertising here at PetSmart. BOGO, 50% off all aquatic media. So that means buy one, get one 50% off. That's basically a 25% coupon, okay? If you kind of do the math and the conversion on it. Also, you get an extra 20% off with this code if you do it, before November 26th, which we have about 2 days. So we can get plenty of inventory in and, get that inventory into Amazon and sell it and get the discount code and everything, okay? So if we're buying for $17.99 before the coupon, let's see what we're making after all of these coupons, because that's what actually matters. How much money are we going to make after these coupons? Because that's going to be our actual buy cost, okay? So we're going to do this math here. $17.99, and we get a 25% coupon, okay? So we're going to go 0.75, basically, 0.75. That's going to bring us down to $13.49. Also, we get a 20% coupon. But remember, this is actually almost more important. That coupon is basically just added to the total price of the product, not BOGO, not anything like that. So we're getting another 20% off, which 0.80. We're 20% off. We're buying this product for $10.79. All right. Now, of course, would we want a perfect price, like to be insanely cheap? Yeah. But we're still making 12% ROI and $1 profit, right? It's not perfect, but it's not bad considering that you can buy this product on a month-over-month basis, wait for a coupon, or wait for a better coupon. Maybe you get a 30% coupon instead of 25%. Maybe you get a 40%. Because if you do, then it takes the product to probably $10 or $9, right? And that's between 30 or 10% ROI, which is a pretty good listing considering that it sells 1,000 times per month. That means that everybody on this listing gets sales as long as you're priced competitively and can stay in stock, which is a really good situation, right? Now, this is a really good website, obviously, for beginners to do this because PetSmart lets anybody buy. You just go in here, you put it into your cart, you hit checkout, and that's it, right? You put the ship to stock to me, and you literally buy 5 units. 5 units, just place as many orders as you need, okay? But almost more importantly, how do you actually turn this into a full-scale business? And this is exactly how I do it, all right? Now that we have another Amazon listing here, you're looking at a Lincoln electric product, pretty different from this, top fin filters product. What you do here is you're going to look at the cost price, okay? You're going to say it's selling for $19.57. It's buying, 100 times a month. This product is selling. Not too bad. So we have to go and find this product profitable, right? Maybe we're going to go to one of the suppliers where we can buy 5 or 10 units. But no, here's an example of a supplier that's selling this product here. And what I started to do to make this into a full-time, now 7-figure business at this stage is go to contact these smaller suppliers. Because think about this. Who here has heard of Cyberweld? I never heard of Cyberweld. I have no idea who they are. Obviously, I have to make sure that they're legitimate, they have good reviews, and they're actually going to ship the product to me. But typically, a lot of people don't go buy from Cyberweld to resell these products on Amazon. They go buy from PetSmart or Walgreens or Walmart or whatever it may be. And those are fine business models, right? At least PetSmart or Walgreens is. Maybe not Walmart. But what you want to do to take it up a notch to get better discounts and buy items in bulk, I just contact these suppliers. I literally either call them, or if I don't want to call them because I'm on a different time zone traveling or because I just don't feel like talking that day, I'll just shoot them an email right here and say, hey, are you guys able to supply a bulk order of this product? And I don't even ask them for a discount because typically they just bake the discount in already. And if they do, great. Now we don't have to worry about placing a ton of orders from PetSmart or Walgreens, and we could just come here and place the order one time or contact to the supplier, have a relationship, and just do this over and over again. Now, if you look at here, the price, $11.40, it's not too profitable, right? It's 7% ROI and $1 profit. But if we reach out to the supplier and we can get a few coupons or even one coupon that's even 10 or 15%, and we can get this down to $10, then it becomes 22% ROI and $2 profit. That's pretty good, right? Considering that we don't get any refunds, we can make a little bit of money on this product, all right? And the good thing is there's like 9 billion listings on Amazon to do this month over month, day over day with, and it's literally how people mature into the business. Then the next steps into this, when you grow and grow more and more as a business to make it even bigger, you actually work directly with the brand or the wholesalers from this company, Cyberweld. Then you'll begin to scale your business to 6 figures a month and even more than that at that level. Literally just by using Amazon's marketing, Amazon's, everything, advertising, Amazon's presence, because they provided the business model and us third-party sellers are just using it. So this is legitimately the best side hustle that you can one day turn into a 7-figure business from what I did, right? You start little, you start small, you test the products, you see how it works, then you grow it time and time again. So there we go. There's the entire video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe because I'm making one every other day, literally for the rest of your life. And I have a ton of cool videos coming up as I'm traveling to Tokyo. Maybe by the time you're seeing this, I will be in Tokyo, Thailand, and I'm going to visit some of my employees and team members in the Philippines. So there we go on the entire video. Hope you guys liked it. And this is the best side hustle to start. Hope you guys get started, and I'm happy to help.